Long toes spread his weight across the lily pads as he searches for insects amongst the greenery. He's building a floating nest. He must hurry back to his egg. Building a new nest was easy. Moving an egg without hands was significantly harder. This one has adopted a different method. One that takes a lot longer. At last. Now he must settle his egg into this perfect new home in his perfect new neighborhood. But caterpillars have invaded the lake almost overnight. His precious chick has hatched into devastation. His chick needs food, and the caterpillars are completely inedible. Once again, he will have to find somewhere better. These are the last remaining lilies in the lake. It's not perfect, but there are plenty of insects for his chick.